Alright, I got one of the consoles finished. One that's going back original. Waiting to clip this part down until we go to install it. Got a little overspray where I painted this part and maybe installed it too quick. I'll clean that up. So I did paint the trim and the armrest, and of course painted the black sections with the sim paint. Showed many times. Medium gray is what I'm using, and satin black. Now this other console is for the current Impala. I'm doing a custom interior on, so it'll be stripped down further. Carpet will be removed. Trim ring. I'll remove the staples and the material and rewrap it. And I was able to remove this piece, but not without breaking the studs. Same thing on that one. I took some super glue, which seemed to do okay. Still held on. In worst case, we could take a soldering iron and kind of flatten, mushroom the heads of those studs down. If you want to make sure it never removes. I think that'll be just fine though. And here's all our other parts. So painting each part really makes a difference on this. Oh, that looks nice and fresh, to where it would have been really nasty and faded looking in there. Took plastic polish, cleaned up the plexiglass parts. I'm going to do the same on this part for the dash. It has some overspray on it. Goes in the bezel right between radio and heat controls. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll be back with some more parts. Peace.